Video is so important now for salespeople looking to connect with prospects. Everybody is at home, but how? How can salespeople use video more efficiently, more effectively, and frankly, just better? Let's find out together on this episode of Video Sales Secrets, brought to you by Vidyard. I am Jay Baer from Convince and Convert, joined today by a very special guest, my pal Mark Hunter. Mark is a longtime sales expert, consultant, genius, also author of the fantastic book, A Mind for Sales. Mark, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Here on the Video Sales Secrets program, it is all entree, no appetizer. I'm going to ask you to get right to it, Mark. What is your one tip? What is your best tip for salespeople who are trying to use video to connect?
Well, when I'm trying to use video, and let's talk about LinkedIn in particular, because one of the things that I want to do is I want to take the online connection and turn it into the offline conversation. But how do you do that? One of the great techniques is maybe there's somebody I've connected to. Now, they're not going to connect with me until I've created social currency with them. So what I'll do is I may message them and I'll send them a message of interest to them, and maybe they respond, maybe they don't respond. On the second time, if they haven't not responded, what I do is I take out my cell phone and I send them 15-second video message. And what I do is I put that into the message. Now, there's something magical. The magical thing is I use the word opinion. Hey, who doesn't want to give their opinion? Hey, I just read this article and would love to get your opinion on it. Give me a call back. I'd love to connect with you. Boom. What does that do?
Wow.
It is amazing, not only the open rate, but the response rate. That's my quick tip on how to use video to create connections.
So simple. And I'm actually kind of mad right now, Mark, because I've used LinkedIn for a long time. I make tons of videos, including using Vidyard's tools, but I've never thought about using a video message in LinkedIn in lieu of sort of the just checking in or everything else that people tend to do. That is so simple and just brilliant. And I love how you phrase it up about asking people for their opinion, as opposed to you telling them what's important. You ask them, what do you think is important? I love that little twist on it. It makes all the difference. I am going to put this tip into practice, like literally today. Mark, thank you so much. That's a really, really good one.
Hey, I'm always happy to share.
Well, we are happy that you are sharing right here. Friends, you heard it first from Mark Hunter. You heard it first on Video Sales Secrets, brought to you by Vidyard. I am Jay Baer, and I will see you on the next episode.